This is my third time recording the commentary. Anyway, today I'll be redrawing this here drawing, which was done in March of 2017. I was about to say 16, but then I remembered it's 2018. And that drawing on the left was the sketch that I did for today's drawing, which I ended up incorporating in the final drawing. And that there is the digital version of the sketch from 2017. Wow. When I look at that, it's like, when I look at that drawing, I don't think that was drawn last year. I think that had to be drawn, like, I don't know, 3 years ago. No, it was drawn last year, and I have improved a whole lot, especially when it comes to drawing the men. Because I have trouble drawing men sometimes. It's like, my goodness, why are you guys so hard to draw? I don't think I have arrived as far as it comes to drawing men, but I've definitely gotten better. Like, definitely. Why is it so hard to draw men? I don't know why that's so hard. But I'm definitely working on it. I can tell that I have gotten a lot better. One of the things I've noticed looking back at my old stuff is that I don't really draw eyelashes. Well, I do it looks like eyeliner, but it comes off of the girl's face. But they're eyelashes. And I want to start drawing eyelashes. I mean, I don't want to just do the winged eyeliner that comes off of the face for some reason. I really want to draw eyelashes, and I've been working on it, and it's hard. It's like, why is it so hard? Just lines coming from the, I don't know, but I'm working on it. And another thing, well, I wasn't really paying attention when I was looking at my old stuff, but one of the things that I have noticed looking back at some of my more recent stuff is that I don't draw people's foreheads, really. It's just like their eyebrows wants to merge with their hairline, and I need to get better at that. Like, my goodness, eyebrows are not all the way up there. Like, where does their brain go? Like, I don't know. I really need to work on that, and I have been working on that. Just making the forehead a little bit bigger so that you can tell that there's a brain back there, you know? And yeah, I've been working on that. And I'm looking at my sketchbook, and I took the forehead idea to the next level. It's really derpy, and you don't know what I'm talking about because you're not looking at it right now. But I am, and I've got 2 more sheets left in my sketchbook, so you should be getting a sketchbook tour soon. Yay! And I really need to get a new sketchbook, but I haven't yet for some reason. Why haven't I gotten a new sketchbook? And I was in a store the other day where I could have gotten a new sketchbook, and I just didn't. Like, it's like literally right there. Why didn't I get it? I need it. But I have this tone tan sketchbook that I started in October of 2016. Yeah. So I've had it for a while, and it's got some old Inktober stuff in there, and I'm gonna use this until I finally get a newer sketchbook. And this sketchbook, it's smaller. It's 5.5 by 8.5, and I like the 8.5 by 11 sketchbooks. I like the big paper. And I also like sketching on tone paper is fun, but I do like sketching on the white paper. Wow, that could be taken the wrong way. Anyway, I should talk about this here drawing, which took me 4.5 hours. My goodness, why did it take so long? It took so long because I put effort into the line art, which I don't usually do. I usually just do something, especially when it comes to the hair. I'll just like, there you go, hair. Just scribble it in, and I tried to actually put effort into it. Also, I don't know what my tablet's doing, but I don't know what it's doing. It was acting really slow. Like, my goodness, tablet, you were working the other day. What's wrong with you? Are you sick? Are you ill? I don't know what's going on. So that also had something to do with how long this took, because it was lagging. SAI was lagging pretty bad. So that was pretty annoying. But I worked through it. I did. And I really liked the final drawing. And like I said, I incorporated did I say it? I think I said it. I incorporated the sketch that I did on paper in the final drawing, and I used it as the background, which I've done with my digital sketches before. Like, if I sketched out the picture on the SAI, then I would, like, after it's finished, I would enlarge it to the point where you can't even tell that it was the drawing, the finished drawing, and then I would set it to luminosity, so yeah, shiny and stuff. And it will make a really cool, seemingly random background, but it'll look cool. And I didn't enlarge the sketch to the point where you couldn't tell what it was anymore. I just made it bigger, so I would crop my finger out of it because my fingers were at the bottom of it. And I did some layer mode stuff with it and made it look nice. And I like it. Looks cool. And I might start doing that some more. I don't know. One of the things I left out but didn't mean to leave out was the guy's shirt. It says serial killer in the original drawing. And it was a bowl of cereal on his shirt. And I thought that was really funny, and I forgot to add that. Oh. And I made these two, they're siblings and they're twins as well, so I made their outfits match a little. It's not like super matchy, but the colors match. They're not wearing the exact same thing though, but the colors match. That's cool. Yep. And I really like how it turned out. Yeah. What else? Oh, in the original drawing, the guy, his name is Kamer, he was supposed to be ignoring his sister, which her name was Netta, but I might change that. I don't know what I might change it to, but that was her name originally. And anyway, Kamer was supposed to be ignoring Netta, and that didn't really translate well in the original drawing, so I decided to draw Kamer on his phone, because usually if someone's on their phone while you're talking to them, it comes across as them ignoring you. So by drawing him on his phone while she is talking, it looks like he's definitely not even paying attention, especially since he is in earbuds. It's like he's definitely not paying attention to her at all. Yeah, these are some old OCs. I kind of forgot about them for a while, which is kind of sad. I don't want to forget about my old things, but I didn't. And I was going to write a story about them, but for a while I was like, I'm not going to do this, because I had too many stories going on at the same time. But now I've kind of singled in on this one story, this one particular story. And after I finish writing that, there is another story that I want to write after that, and the story that these two are in might be coming after that one. I don't know yet, because then there was this other story that I had. My God, I got too much stuff going on. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this here drawing, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah. Thanks, folks. Thanks.